Hi, my name is Alicia, and one memory I had with Inan is when we took a picture and we talked about snow globes, and she said things about like how the snow globe works, what's inside them. We love you and we miss you, Inan. Hope you can watch Lullaby from up there.
We are your legacy, Inan. Ang pagmamahal ninyo ay hindi nasusukat sa material na bagay, kundi sa kabutihang loob na walang hinihinging kapalit. Kahit wala nang laman ang wallet ninyo, kahit wala nang natira para sa sarili ninyo, patuloy pa rin kayo nagbibigay at tumutulong sa iba. Walang pag-aalinlangan, walang pag-iimbot. Sa bawat taong lumapit sa inyo, palaging bukas ang inyong puso at mga kamay. Hindi ninyo tinitingnan ang sarili ninyong kakulangan, mas pinili ninyong unahin ang pangangailangan ng iba. Iyan po ang klase ng pagmamahal na itinuro ninyo sa amin. Isang pagmamahal na bukal, totoo at hindi makasarili. Ang mga ginawa ninyo, Inan, ay hindi mawawala sa alaala. Sa bawat kabutihang ipanamalas ninyo, kami po ang bunga. Kami ang nagpapatuloy ng inyong mga aral, inyong malasakit, inyong pananampalataya. Lahat ng yan ay nakaukit na sa puso naming magkakapatid at magpipinsan at sa inyong mga anak. Ang pamanan nyo ay hindi kayamanan, kundi kabutihang puso. At habang buhay naming ipagmamalaki na kami ang bunga ng isang mapagbigay, mapagmahal na si Inan at si Tatay.
Hello, this is Anna, pangalawang apo ni Inan at Tatay, and pangalawang anak ni Jojo, or Junior, as most people know him in Lian. So, ever since we were kids, we've always lived far. Since si Papa, he, started working in Saudi. And, when we went back home to the Philippines, we weren't as near as we'd want to be still. So unfortunately, I feel like I was not as close to Inan as some of my other cousins were. But just the same, I have very fond memories of Inan. But one of my favorite ones is really when we were kids and visiting the Philippines. We'd always be in a full house in Kamuning with all our titas and titos and our cousins. And one of my favorite parts of vacation was always us about going to sleep, because Inan would always sing us a lullaby. And it was Eternal Flame. And I think this was just an anthem for her, for all her grandchildren, because almost all of my cousins, I've heard, also have experienced this kind of night routine with Inan. It was very, it felt like just love and home. It felt like, she loved us very much. And every time we do visit as well, she always made sure that our favorite meals were always on the table, and she'd always, be willing to give us, even if she, had not much herself, but she always tried to help people as well. So I think that is her legacy. She's always there to help her community, her family, and Inan, the family will miss you, but we know that you're happy to be able to spend time again with Tatay and Papa. So I hope that your journey home is a good one, and we'll miss you. Please give a tight hug to Tatay and big hugs to Papa as well. I love you forever.
Hello po, si Selena ito, ipangatlong apo ni Inan, anak ni Jojo. Inan, in a way, I am happy for you because you get to see the love of your life again. Si Tatay. I know that it had been painful and sad to be apart from him for this amount of time. So instead of sorrow, I smile instead. Inan, in a way, I am envious of you because you get to see your eldest son, Jojo, my papa. It must have been heart-wrenching to see a child of yours go before you do. So instead of sorrow, I smile instead. Inan, in a way, I am regretful because we have not spent a lot of time together. I have not known you like your other grandchildren have. But then I do remember moments. The times you sing Eternal Flame when we're ready to sleep. The time you spread Vicks on my chest to soothe me because I was sick all the time. And the times you remember that I so love the puto from Lian and the kapeng barako. So you would always have those brought to me for pasalubong. So instead of sorrow, I smile instead. I'm always praying for your journey to paradise. Sa aking mga pinsan, kapatid, mga pamangkin, mga tito at tita, yakap ko kayong lahat. Ingat lagi. Love you. Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Mana po, Inan. Salamat po. Nagmamahal. Selena.